Once upon a time in a magical world, there was a peaceful village named Harmonyville. Every day was filled with laughter, love, and joy. But one day, something strange started to happen in Harmonyville. The villagers felt a peculiar chill in the air, and their happiness seemed to fade away. A mysterious creature, called a Dementor, had come to Harmonyville. Dementors were known for their ability to suck out all the happiness from people. The villagers were terrified. But among them, there was a brave little girl named Lily. She was different from the others. She had a kind heart and a strong spirit. When she saw her friends feeling sad and scared, she decided to face the Dementor and save Harmonyville. Lily packed her bag with courage and kindness. She walked towards the chilly breath of the Dementor, her heart beating fast but her resolve unwavering. As she approached, the Dementor looked at her with cold, empty eyes. "I am here to help," Lily said bravely. "You don't have to be alone." The Dementor looked surprised. It had never encountered someone so brave and kind. Lily offered it her hand, and the Dementor, feeling a strange warmth, took it. "I can help you," Lily said. "You don't have to be a Dementor anymore. You can be like us, spreading happiness instead of taking it away." The Dementor looked at Lily with eyes full of wonder. It realized that it didn't have to be a creature of darkness. With Lily's help, it learned to feel joy, love, and kindness. The Dementor changed, becoming a new friend to Harmonyville. From that day on, the village was filled with more happiness than ever before. Lily had saved the day, not only for the villagers but also for the Dementor. And so, the story of the brave little girl and the transformed Dementor became a legend in Harmonyville, a tale of courage, kindness, and the power of friendship. Every night, as the villagers went to sleep, they would remember the story and feel grateful for their brave little Lily.